Hanu asama, Hanu asama, ya Yesuga, muakabarka. Hanu asama, Hanu asama, ya Yesuga, muakabarka. Hanu asama. Times will come, brothers and sisters. Times will come. Times will come. But how strong is your faith? Is your faith built on a solid rock? Are you following Jesus because of all of these things? What if they did not come? Will you still follow him? If they did not come, if the breakthrough did not come, will you still follow Jesus? If you do not have the car, you did not have the house, the marriage did not come when you want it to come, will you? Because James told us that we should count it all joy when we pass through diverse temptation. He said, for the testing of our faith, it worketh patient. And patient is a virtue. It's a virtue.